Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now today I'm super excited to share with you two devices that's going to be launched by Honor at the end of this month. Now because it is not actually launched here yet or even other places in the world, all I can do is actually show you a quick look on the design, how it looks like, how it feels, but I cannot share anything about the specifications and all that. So today we're just going to take a quick look at these new devices. Now the devices that I'm mentioning here is actually the Honor X8 as well as the Honor X9. Again, I'm going to take a quick look at these devices and let you know what to expect from Honor at the end of this month. Alright guys, so before we begin that, of course, if you could just drop a like and sub to the channel, that would be super much appreciated. Let us begin. Now, I can't really tell you what actually came in the box, but obviously it's going to be very standard. You're going to get, your standard charger, your USB cable and all that. But today, I actually want to focus really on how these devices look. And I must warn you, these devices look really, really good. Now, I'm going to show you to you right now. You can see in front of the cameras, we do have the Honor X8 as well as the Honor X9. The key difference between both devices right here is that the X8 on one hand is a more angular device. It looks very much squarish, whereas the X9 on the other hand looks very similar to the Honor Magic 4 Pro. Both devices that I have here today are in this very nice titanium silver color, and you can see it looks super cool and very nice on the back panel, very understated and not too much over the top. Now again, we're going to take a closer look at both devices. We're going to start off with the slightly more affordable one, which is the Honor X8. Now, like I mentioned at the back here, this is a more angular design. And what I mean by that is if you take a look at the top left corner, we have this really nice square shaped camera cutout. It is actually a mirror kind of finish on the camera cutout itself, whereas on the back panel, it is completely matte finish. So it feels absolutely smooth to the touch and it will not capture any fingerprints at the back, only keeping the entire back panel looking very clean. Now, moving on to the sides, this is where it also gets very interesting. We do have flat sides all around the device. Very, very nice, and it definitely feels very premium to hold in one hand. Apart from that, I must also point out that we do have a fingerprint scanner that you can find on the right-hand corner. You have a volume rocker on the top right corner, and if you flip the device to the left, this is where you will get your SIM card tray. Now, moving on to the bottom, you also get your Type-C port. You have your headphone jack. These days, the headphone jacks are mostly available on the more affordable device, so that's what you get on the Honor X8 here. Now, flipping the device to the front, this is where it gets really nice as well. Again, I can't exactly share with you the specification of this display, but the key point here is actually on how slim the bezels are on the Honor X8. Now, I've mentioned this a couple of times, but previously on other Honor devices, we are always seeing a trend of super slim bezels all around. So it's a similar case here. We have a very slim bezel on the left, top and right, but we do get a slight chin at the bottom. So honestly speaking, this is not really a huge deal for me because we already have very flat bezels on the sides. And yes, it is a flat display, no such curved display nonsense going on here. So very, very nice here on the Honor X8. I think this will be one of the best looking affordable devices that will land really soon. Now that we've done talking about the Honor X8, let's also check out the other one, the Honor X9. Now this guy here, again, like I mentioned, looks absolutely similar to the Honor Magic 4 Pro. It has the round circular camera cutout at the back. It is barely sticking out at the back. Everything is very slim and uni-body. One thing I do have to point out here is that we also have a very smooth matte back panel at the back here, but it is slightly different from the one on the X9. On the X9, when I take a closer look, I actually see a couple of texture on the back here, but it is very much more neater and clean, very, very smooth matte kind of feeling at the back. So that's how it feels like on the X9. Definitely a little bit more premium feeling and looking compared to the X8, but this is where it's a little bit different. We have curves going on all around the X9. If you notice on the back here, we do have curved edges on the sides as well. Now this allows the device to sit really flush and comfortable in your hand without any pokes and all that around. So this is the kind of feeling that you get. It really depends on your personal preference. Some people, they like something like these flat sides, whereas some people, they actually prefer this kind of curved back material. I think both looks great here. We also have the same kind of aluminum frame look on the sides all around. We still get our fingerprint scanner, we have a volume rocker, and if you turn the device to the bottom, this is where you'll find the SIM card tray, your Type-C port, and the speakers. Now, unlike the X8, the X9 here does not come with a headphone jack. That is all that you get on the sides in terms of the ports. Now, flipping the device to the front, similar to the Honor X8, we also get a very, very nice display here. What I mean by that is flat displays, no curved sides on the edges, and more importantly, the same slim bezels all around the sides and the top. So just like the one on the X8, actually on the front, it looks very similar. They both have a little bit of chin at the bottom, but again, take a look at these really slim bezels on the left, top, and right, guys. It looks really, really good here, and I think this is the trend that Honor has been keeping up throughout all their entire devices. So very nice to see that. We do have the selfie camera dead center for both devices. You can see them very clearly in the middle section on the top. So that's that. Otherwise, if you just take a look, this is the kind of design that you can expect from the upcoming Honor X8 and X9. Definitely a very nice looker here. Both devices will come with Google Play Store pre-installed, so you will not have to worry about trying to download apps and all that. Overall, I think I'm really looking forward to the launch of the Honor X8 and X9. Do stay tuned to the channel. I will definitely be covering more information, specification, testing out these devices for you so you know whether or not these are suitable for you. But till then, don't forget to drop a like, sub to the channel to support content like this, and I hope to see all of you guys in the next one. Stay safe, everybody. Bye!